What up, YouTube? Team Low Life. Face Ed Bradley Aaron. I haven't made a YouTube video in a while because I haven't gotten any parts in a while. I've been just working, trying to save up money for big ass amplifiers and Sky High and these and this shit right here. Let's see, what else do I got now? Got a spool, red spool of double aught. Bam! Got a black spool of double aught. Bam! This is their OFC 8 gauge Sky High. This is OFC double aught from Sky High. All Sky High. I don't fuck around with anybody else. That's just me. Even my dog's leash is Sky High. I just put a lid on that shit, and it works great. That shit ain't going anywhere. What do you call it? I'm about to do some crimping, so I figured I'd make a video real quick, but I just I need to go get my little dies because I painted them so I don't have to be like, oh, which ones did I use last time every time I fucking open the box. So I'll try to make this video quick. I only have a couple wires to do. Where did my torch go? There it is. Shitload of heat shrink. So we're gonna need 2 for this side and 1 on this one. Man, I love this crimper. I have one of these too. This is what I used before I got this. One of these little fuckers that you just pound on. It works good, but ain't nothing like this. This thing is badass. Ain't no joke. So let's do this. Get your dies in there. Oh, shit. Hopefully that's not too long. That's way too long. Jeez. This, I'm replacing a customer's front end. Well, not really replacing much. I'm just throwing copper lugs on here now because he got better terminals. So we're going with that, you know. And they use lugs, which is beautiful because lugs are easy to do. Easy to work with. Make sure that bitch is locked. One thing with this is you have to hold that shit, and that's kind of hard. God damn it! But once you grab it, you don't have to hold it anymore. You just gotta keep the wire against the lug. That way it's all perfect when you're done. I don't even have to hold this thing, the jack, with 2 hands. I just gotta. Okay, once it's, yeah, there we go. Unlock it. Fucking beautiful. That shit. I don't know if that was in front of the lens or not. Whatever. Throw some heat shrink on here, like this. And let's see, the cable's going to be coming in like this, so let's do it like this. Yeah. And if it works out right, it should just curve right around the front like I like it to do. I really need a heat gun because I don't like using that to do heat shrink. Because if you fuck up, you're going to burn it. But look at that. Curves right around the tip of that beautifully. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, dude. Seals it all up. That's how we do our cables around here. None of that bullshit. I don't just slap cables under your hood with those stupid little rubber things on them. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. No way. I'm just gonna do this heat shrink. beautiful. Torch works good, it's just a little, it's just easy to fuck up on, that's all. Okay, I think that's too long again. These are sky high too, and these fucking kick ass. As you see, I just put them on the table and put my weight on it, and it just goes right through them. You could do it with 2 hands, whatever. It's just you're holding the cable. Oh, beautiful. You know it's perfect when it holds onto the cable box. There we go. Another beautiful connection. You can pull a truck with these. No problem. I'm trying. Beautiful. 2 very nice connections, in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment. If you see anything that you don't like, comment. Whatever you think, see something I'm doing wrong, you think, I don't know. This torching, I know I need a heat gun, whatever. It works for now. I'm not burning it because I figured out how to do it without burning it. So, I'm not worried about that. And more install shit to come.